So Anushka, so we've worked together before and here we are on stage today. Can you tell us all how the new Pantene has worked for you?
Good evening, everybody. So I'm here to talk to you about the new and improved Pantene. And I'm really, really happy and proud of this association with Pantene. What I've experienced after using the product is that it makes my hair healthy, which is very important to me. It should be healthy. And then it just looks good because your hair is healthy. So that's been my experience, Bianca.
Absolutely. This product's been a lifesaver for us it's been a lifesaver for us because we put it through so much damage.
That's true.
So much torture every single day with every
Pulling
day
your
on
hair,
set,
yeah.
tonguing.
Yeah, all
And
of that.
this product literally basically works to the core and leaves our hair nice and shiny. And we welcome you.
Thank you. So now if you guys have any questions for me,
Yes, we're
please
open.
shoot.
Anushka ji, here.
G.
Yeah. Good evening to all. This is Raj, member of the press. I'd like to ask you that how much importance do you give to shampoo?
I mean, you can ask any girl actually. We give a lot of importance to our hair. I think for me personally, even if I don't put like much makeup, but my hair looks good, I feel very nice and confident. So I think for me, hair is very important, as is for so many girls, I'm sure. So it's very important to pick the right shampoo.
Yeah, Anushka, we're here. You're looking absolutely great. So Anushka, you started your career with Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, which was a super hit, and afterwards you just went on playing different characters role, and you proved yourself to be a versatile actor. And your recent movie PK, which was acclaimed and appreciated all over the world. So now, are you feeling that you are at the shiniest phase of your career?
I don't know. I mean, I think for me, as long as I'm, doing the kind of films I want to do and doing the kind of roles that, I'm striving for, I feel happy. I think I'm happy with the way things are going in my life. I've produced a film. I think I feel very proud of that. So yeah, I think it is a shiny phase. Anushka, I hope it continues to be like that.
Anushka, when did you start using Pantene?
I actually tried it for the first time in March.
Stronger inside, one thing that Anushka feels.
What?
Has something that is stronger within, inside.
Within you?
Within Anushka. No one will like to hear from me.
I think it's, to me, I think I give a lot of importance to honesty. I think that's very important. I think it's very important to be honest. I think it's very important to be, a correct kind of person, be true to people. So yeah, I think for me that's what gives me the strength. I feel stronger because I have no fears. Like I don't have to hide anything. So that makes me feel strong.
Hi Anushka, this is Pooja.
Hello.
I would like to know how do you take care of your hair, especially when you shoot for a film like NH10. You have already shoot in different climate and situations, so would like to know about.
That was terrible actually because my hair used to get very, very dirty. But then we needed it to be dirty also. See, the thing about films is that for different roles, you have to do different things. It wasn't a very glamorous role. My hair did not have to look beautiful. It just had to look actually very bad because, because of the story, I mean, if you've seen the film. So, but I mean, I was happy that it was getting dirtier, but then I used to use a lot more conditioner. Normally I wouldn't use that much, but I was using a lot more because I know that it was getting damaged a little too much.